Hi guys, my name is Jakaya and I'm teaching you guys today how to install custom content from any website. So first, obviously, you have to have a website. So here's my little sticky note. I have a few websites like the Springs for Sims, the SimsResource.com, Around the Sims 2, 3, and 4. So we're just going to go to one website. We're going to go to Female Job Outfit. And this website has really good, oh, no, that's not what I wanted, Jesus. This website has really good, things. Alright, so, you read more and download, and then it will pull it up, and, it will, come on. Oh my god, come on, please do this. This is not making my job easier. Oh lord. Okay, it's working now. Anyways, you should. That is really funny. Okay, you should just go down all the way to down, and it would say download, so you would download it. And then once you have it downloaded, you're going to need a file explorer, and you're going to need either unzip RAR, which would be like this. Unzip RAR. Or you would need any other file unzipper. Okay, then you install it. And then you pull up your unzip item or thing, whatever, I don't know. I'm really just winging it right now. It's my first ever broadcast. Okay. Okay, so you want to go press open on, well, I have RAR, but, other things will do something different. So press open, and I have all these things that need to be unfiled. So I'm just gonna press this, open, it's gonna go like that, and then I'm gonna unzip it. And I suggest you guys get this because this is free. It is really free. And then you'll have it all like this. Then you'll put this one in your packages folder, so move to packages, and you'll put this one in your downloads folder, which will soon appear in here. So let's move this one to downloads, this one to packages. Let's see a picture of what this is, because I didn't download exactly what you guys wanted. Windows Photo Viewer. Come on, let's not be so slow, please. Oh, here we go. Oh, that is actually really pretty. Good thing I downloaded it. Okay, let me put it up. I'm actually gonna save that. So yeah, I'm gonna save it. Close it, and I'm gonna do one more for you guys. Oh, that one, not that one. Okay, I downloaded that one too many times. Bottom collection, open. And this one obviously has a lot of stuff with it, so unzip it. This is gonna take longer time to do than the others. Ow. It's okay. And it has unzipped. So here are the boots, little boots. So I'm gonna move this one to packages, this one to downloads. And you just keep on doing that. So I have a lot more custom content to do, as you guys will be able to see right here. I have a lot of things to put in there. So I'm just gonna get back to you guys when I'm finished. Okay, I have finished all my downloads. So what you want to do next is pull up your Sims 3 launcher. Looks like this. Click downloads, and then you will either want to go to all, or you want to go to Sims, or you want to go to pets, or whatever type of item that you downloaded. Like if you download patterns, objects, then you would go in that category. So today we downloaded quite the few amount of clothing items. So we're just gonna, oh, it's going by itself. We'll just go down, oh. Okay. Yeah, this just shouldn't be happening at the moment. Okay, sorry. Going to have to take it up a notch. Alright, select none. Go down. And we're gonna wait till I find something that doesn't have the status of this. Shouldn't be any longer now. Come on. Okay, here we go. So things that don't have any status and they don't have anything like a little triangle, yellow triangle saying that you can't do it, then just click it. So this is going to take me a while. Click, 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 click. Click, 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 click. I'm just going to go through, make sure I don't have any more left. To choose. Click, click. Click, 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 click. And that is all. So then what you do is click install. And then after everything has been installed, there shall be this like little square box, like about this size. And it should say 100% complete at the bottom, and then other things should say a success or say whatever. And I'm just gonna pause it and wait for mine to load. So yeah, it's about this size. Okay, guys. All my stuff has installed, and this is exactly what it looks like. It says installer, and once it is finished completely, it'll say 100% with all the green bars, and we'll just start from the top. So everything that I got was a success, which means that it is currently inside the game. So, yeah. So we're gonna press OK. We're gonna press OK, and it might take a couple of minutes before the status all changes. So when it does, I'll get back to you guys, and I'm sorry about the pauses in between things. Although you guys can't really notice, but I keep saying I'm gonna pause, so sorry about that. Okay guys, this is what it'll look like. So you'll still have your check marks, so you'll press select none, and your status should be installed for each one. So I'm just gonna look, and all of my stuff is installed, which I'm really happy about, and it'll look like this. And after it's installed, you'll have a little exclamation mark and telling you what new items you have installed, which is the items on here. And then yeah, and also for any extra information, your uploads are pictures that you take. So yeah, I just wish that those exclamation marks could go away. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video today. I would like you guys to subscribe, like, dislike, and share this video as many times as your little heart's desire and as many times as you guys possibly can. And if you guys watch more videos, you guys will get to learn more items about me, and I am currently going to start my next and first LP, so that should be fun. And if you ever want to start your own P and you need a cover, I have a video to create a cover. So please watch and enjoy. Subscribe, share, like, and so much more. Bye guys, thanks.